Hey guys, I'm Coach Oak. I coach varsity boys basketball and I'm a Korean teacher.
What's up, Lancers? Coach Byun, and I'm the girls varsity basketball coach.
Hi, I'm Leanna Bolin. I'm the dance teacher.
Mariam Fan. I am math teacher.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Garibo or Coach G. I coach girls tennis and boys tennis, and I'm also a science teacher here.
I'm David Kim. I teach anatomy, IB Bio, and I'm Sean Kim's father. Best ever!
Jim Valenzuela. He's my competition today and he's going down.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Damn it, I lost. Oh, I gotta run.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh God, I see. This is disgusting. Okay.
Dude, you don't need this much contact.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Stop.
You don't need
Rock, paper, scissors.
eating something, okay?
What's your fastest mile time ever?
5:30.
Wow.
Let's go.
How about you, Coach Oak? What's your fastest mile time?
When I was in high school, I ran like a 5:30 one time.
Wow.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Carry the votes for what? The president?
The boats, the boats. Who's gonna carry it?
What the?
The boat. Who's gonna carry the boat?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Mr. Kim,
Yeah.
what's your fastest mile time?
And 7th grade, it was 13 minutes. No, 4th grade, 13 minutes. With my physical therapist, I don't know, 11 minutes.
What year? 11 minutes.
What?
What year?
What year? I don't know. I haven't ran this mile since
1989.
4th grade.
Tired.
What are you excited for this school year?
I am excited for a new group of freshmen. They seem like they're going to be a good class and get us off to a good start this year.
Who do you think is the faster runner, you or Coach Oak?
I think Coach Jokin. He runs a lot. He runs every day. I got back problems.
You know what?
Wait, who's faster? You or Coach Byun?
Right now, I think he's faster than me. But I think when I was in high school, I think I could have taken it.
Really, really?
I was not bad. I actually ran cross country too.
Mr. Kim,
I'm gonna die. Looking at my pants are falling because the belt is too big. Don't edit this out like all the other stuff. I say cringy stuff, and you guys always edit it out.